Let's 3D print a World Cup. Okay, now that we have this filament unboxed, let's put it on a spool. Okay, what I like to do is find the bigger spool. See, right here, this is bigger than on this one. And you take the filament, and there should be a little cutout in here. You should be able to align it with the spool, just like that. Next, what you do is you take this and other part and slide it in until it clicks. Now you can pull out all the straps on the filament spool so there's nothing on it. Now let's go make a World Cup trophy. Okay, now it's the next day and this print came out amazing. Subscribe.